Hi, I'm here with Cleetus Buford from Alabama. He helped me put my E-mag in. Got you right there. Boys, I tell you what, that thing's hotter than fire. You touch it, you'll be like, whoo, there you go. Get her done.
I got my Mexican socket set there out of the truck and got her tightened down, so we should be good.
Well, yeah, torque spec to your wrist torque till it, you hear the pop. Yeah, get her done, boys.
Yeah, that's it.
Yep, so that's how we do it around here.
The deluxe model.
The yeah, there you go, deluxe. Yeah, good luck, he says, as he walks away. Hoser.
I want to read the POH.
He's gonna POH. You're a POH. All right, here we go. We got the Surefly E-mag on, as my friend Cleetus Buford told you. It was super easy, 2 hours. Yep. Let's see what we got. You got your P lead, then you got your power wire down there. Goes over to a battery, which thankfully in this one is just right there. Hook up your harness. There you go. Got a slick harness, bought it. Nice arrow light, eBay, 60 bucks, baby. What's up? And that's pretty much it. Timing is super, really touchy timing. Use a 9-volt, little trick there. And that's it. A couple of wires, a couple of bolts. And this, I forgot, that is where the manifold pressure comes to for the timing advance part of it. Bada bing, bada boom. This video would be longer, but it was pretty easy to install. So, Cleetus, hey! Kids these days, no respect. All right, well, thank you. That was easy. So hit that like, subscribe, throw me a comment. Let me know if you've got a Surefly or if you've got other ignition things. I don't know. Just throw me a comment saying you want to see more Cleetus Buford. Where's he at? Hey, Cleetus! There he is. Crazy people. He's been too high in altitude and lost a few brain cells.